Ah, home sweet home. After a few weeks of traveling, I'm finally back in the studio. It feels so good to be back and have access to all of my art supplies. I was away during Black Friday, and I have to admit, some of the sales got to me. There was a tabletop easel that I've been eyeing for a while, and there was a decent sale on it, so I thought, why not get it? It's similar to my old easel, but this one has grooves in the base. It makes it so much easier to adjust the angle of the easel. It also makes it a lot harder for me to press too hard on it and for it to collapse down. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a hard board like my old one, but I spy a solution. I'll just use this old masonite board as a hard base to lay my sketchbook or panels on. Let's test this thing out, shall we? Speaking of traveling, I also picked up a new notebook. I often journal and take notes outside of my sketchbook, so I wanted one to commemorate my trip. This one has a bunch of birds that are commonly found in Colombia. I guess I have a thing with birds. I don't know. But as an artist, the cover with the bird drawings really caught my attention out of all of the journal options that were in the store. So I decided to buy it and take it home with me. I managed to find the artist who created this cover that I'm referencing in these drawings. Their name is Rural Orozco. I'll leave their information in the description box below. For today's drawing, I'm drawing two of the birds found on the cover. These are the ones that look most like the birds that I encountered on the busy streets of Medellin, Colombia. So it brings me fond memories as I'm back in the studio. Now, it's been a few weeks, so I'm admittedly a little rusty, but enjoy a few snippets of me drawing and inking in my sketchbook. On the last day of my trip, I also came across this park that had a great view of the river that runs through the city. The city was preparing for the Christmas holiday. Apparently, it's a big deal, and the city goes all out with decorations, lights, and music. Here's a little snippet of the scene. To close out today's video, I'm also going to do a little thumbnail drawing of this scene that I captured. Who knows? Maybe I'll turn this one into a larger painting in the future as well. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you've also been enjoying some of the videos that I've been creating over the last couple weeks, and that you really enjoy the type of art that I make. If you do, definitely consider giving this video a thumbs up. I'll also be linking a couple other videos that I think that you might enjoy, and also consider subscribing for more content like this in the future. But that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!